Hi guys, this is Vishwa and you're watching Vishwa Technology YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn money without any investment. So in this video, I'm going to show you completely how we can do this. So you need to sign up and you can keep the app. So no need to do any work, friends. So just keep the app and you can earn daily. So you can't earn like so much, but you can earn till for your recharge and also for your pocket money. So in this video, I'm going to show you the complete process, and also you will be getting the $5 instantly. So watch the full video to get it. So before going to the video, if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon and click on all to get all the notification from our channel. So first you need to sign up for this. So the site name is Honeygain, so where you will be getting the link in the description. So if you go through my link, you will be getting the $5 instantly. So you can get it from the description. So just go to watch the video first. So I will show the full process. After that you can just follow the video. So once you click on the link in the description, just claim now, so that you will be getting the $5 instantly. So here what you need to do is you need to sign up, create an account for here. So and also if you want, you can just do with your Google account or else for your Facebook account. So I already have an account. So once you create an account, so just I will log into my account. Once you log into your account, so you will be getting this interface. So as you can see here, I got an $5. So you will also get the $5 when you install through my link. So and also the payment threshold is $20. So here you no need to do anything. So once you sign up with in the website, so you need to click you can use this for the desktop, Apple and the Android. So these three platforms are available. So you can just, friends, you need to share the data with if you'll be having like daily, so 1.5 GB or 2 GB, you may like without using, you may waste the 500 MB or else 1 GB. So that data you can give for this Honeygain app and you can earn money. You can convert your data into the money. So just you need to do just click on if you are using the Android, just click on Android. So as you can see here, we can download the app. So I will download the app and I will install the app and I will get back to you. So as you can see here, I already installed the app. So this app is not available in the Play Store. So just go through my link and download it. So this app will consume your data and also for the your battery. So I will show you in further. So what it will do, so it will take our data. So you can read that all the terms and conditions. So once you read the terms and conditions, just click on agree the terms and conditions. So once you agree the terms and condition, you can just, if you want the more information, you can just read all the instructions. So I will skip the instruction now. So once you click the skip the instruction, so use my mobile data. So if you want to use if you have an high speed internet like Wi-Fi and all, so you can use the internet data. So I have an mobile data. For example, let us think that I am wasting my data is per day 2 GB and I am not using the 500 MB. So what you can do is, friends, you can just set a limit for it and you can set the limit. So it will take maximum of that data and you will be getting the money for it. So I will not set any limitation for it. So if you want, you can set the limitations. So once you click on S and you need to allow the permission for the battery also, just click on the battery and click on the S and click on done. So here what you need to do is, so you want to log in with your same details what you have been signed up with your account. So just click on the more, and once you click on more, just click on sign in, and in the sign in with Google. So I already have an account, so I will sign in with my Google account. So I will click my name. So over here, so you need to enter your ID and the password. If you are created with your ID and the password, you can use the details also. So once you done, so as you can see here, so you need to enter the OK, click on OK. So as you can see here, we got the same data what is available in the website also. So as you can see here, it will run automatically in the background, friend. So it will consume your data as well as for your battery. Make sure that it will consume your data as well as for your battery. So night times when you are not using the mobile, so you can turn on your data and open your app and you can keep, so that you will be earning some certain amount for your pocket money as well as for your recharges. You can use it for both. So you will be getting, friends, nearly, so totally it will depending upon your internet speed as well as for your location. So for the estimation, for the 1 GB of data you may get up to $3 to $4, friends. So if you share 1 GB of data, you will be getting $3 to $4. So you can, I will share the proofs also in our WhatsApp group, so you can join to our Earn Money WhatsApp group. I will give a link in the description, so you can just join to that group so that you will be getting all the earning methods where you can earn the money. So I will be sharing the limited period offers also over there. So just you need to follow this process so that you will be getting, you can just go through here and you can click on payout and you can take the payout with your PayPal account. So I hope this video is helpful for you. So this, to get the instant $5, go to our link and download the app from the link. So to earn more in this app, so what you can do is, friends, so you can do, the first thing is you can just log in with the multiple devices. So let us think that if you have multiple devices which you are not using, so just you kept for, like, if you have extra data, you can use this trick. So you can just log in your multiple devices so that you will be earning the more income every day. And also you can log into your website, if you are using the desktop, just you can just log in. So if you have more data, you can use this method to get the income, so where you can convert your data into money. So friends, and also this app is not available in the Play Store, so just go to my link to get the additional benefit where you can get the $5 instantly. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Please do share this video with your friends and family members, and like this video and comment your opinion below.